Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can install WordPress on Cloudflare and integrate it into your Cloudflare website. So let's get right into it. Now, I don't have the access to Cloudflare, nor to a premium WordPress website, so I can't really show you guys how this is done directly. However, I will show you the steps that I found on the official documentation. Now, the prerequisite for this is you need to have an APO plan or a Pro plan or higher. So before that, to install and activate the plugin, you should purchase the APO. Just go to the dashboard, go into speed and optimization, and then content optimization, then automatic platform optimization for WordPress, and select purchase. And then you need to enter your payment information and select confirm payment. Now, this plugin is up for purchase, but it is included for free within the Pro plan, so make sure you have it. And then once you're done with that, you just need to go and install the Cloudflare WordPress plugin. Just navigate to your WordPress account, go to plugins and add new, which is like this. Just go into here and then go add new plugin. Then you just need to search for Cloudflare. There might be a plugin on the marketplace, so search for it there as well. Then just locate it and install it. And after you do that, then activate it, and that should be in your plugins list. Now, to activate the APO, you need the API token from Cloudflare. You just need to go into Cloudflare, go to My Profile, then API Tokens Create Token, then locate WordPress and select Use Template. Select Continue to Summary, and on the WordPress API token, select Create Token, and it should display. And then you just need to click the Copy button and save it on your clipboard. Then once you're done with that, you need to go ahead and open up your WordPress account, go into the Cloudflare plugin and select settings, then select the option to sign in with a Cloudflare account, then enter your email address and paste the token you copied to your clipboard, then select save API credentials. For apply recommended Cloudflare settings for WordPress, select apply, and then for APO, switch the toggle to on to enable it, and that is literally all you need to do. Again, sorry I couldn't show you guys how to do this myself, but it should be pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.